This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fold Mazda CX-9 seats. First, locate the release levers on your second row seats. These are typically found on the side or bottom of the seat. Pull the lever to adjust the seat back angle or slide the seat forward. For the third row, you'll find a strap or lever on the seat back itself. To fold the second row seats flat, first ensure the headrests are lowered. Then, locate the strap or lever, usually near the base of the seat back. Pull this to release the seat back, allowing it to fold down completely. This creates a flat loading surface, significantly increasing your cargo area for longer items or equipment. Folding the third row seats is straightforward. From the rear cargo area, you'll see a fabric loop or a small lever on the top of each third row seat back. Pull this loop or lever firmly to release the latch. Once released, gently push the seat back forward until it lies completely flat, flush with the cargo floor. With both the second and third row seats folded flat, your Mazda CX-9 offers an impressive amount of cargo space, perfect for moving large items or luggage. Remember to always secure any cargo to prevent it from shifting while driving. This ensures safety for everyone in the vehicle. For more great tips and other deals, make sure to check out the description below. Also, you'll find a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.